how to create Twitch account. So if you want to create a Twitch account, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser, or you can go with your application. So I'll be here with my browser, or Google, anything that you're comfortable with. Go with the search and search for twitch.com, which will directly take you to the website. So we'll just go with twitch.com. Once you're under the twitch.com, now here on the upper right, you will have a profile shaped icon. Tap on it and then tap on login. Once you tap on it, now here it will take you to the login page. So you just need to simply go with the bottom right, which has that sign up option. Once you go with sign up, now from here, you will be able to create the username. So I'll be just creating a username and then go with password and make sure to create a strong password. And after that, go with month, day and year, and you need to enter your date of birth. Once you've entered, now you can simply enter the mobile number, or you can use email instead of the phone number. So I'll be choosing email and then tap on sign up, which will be on the bottom of your screen. So tap on sign up and now you will receive a 6-digit verification code to the email address that you've entered. So you just need to simply go with your mail, your Gmail, where you will receive the 6-digit verification code. And you need to simply enter the 6-digit verification code right here. Once you've entered, go with submit. And that's it. Once you've submitted, your account has been created. You can go with profile, which is on the upper right, and that's it. That's how you'll be able to create your Twitch account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.